Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Instagram story music feature not available. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open settings of your smartphone and go into the app management. Click on app list and search for the Instagram. Click on that. Then you simply need to click on storage and cache. The first step you need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage. Then you need to allow all permissions. So once you done that, you simply need to go back, open Play Store and search for the Instagram. Click on that and you need to update Instagram application. As you can see, my Instagram is up to date. Then you simply need to click on open, click on your story and create a story and click on this icon. And now you can see music option, and now you can add music of your choice. You can browse and you can search as well. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.